Turmeric, when mixed with milk, can aid in the treatment of a number of ailments. Turmeric has anti-inflammatory properties that can aid in the fight against a variety of infections. Turmeric, when combined with milk, helps to treat a variety of wounds and diseases. Recipe for turmeric milk. Number 1. Take 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Number 2. 120 ml of glass milk. Number 3. Boil turmeric and milk for 10 minutes. Number 4. Strain the milk. Number 5. Cool it and drink this milk. Top 15 benefits of turmeric milk. Number 1. Respiratory illness. Turmeric milk has antibacterial and antiviral properties. It can be used to treat diseases of the lungs and respiratory system because it warms the body and immediately removes congestion in the lungs and sinuses. This remedy can also be used to treat asthma and bronchitis. Number 2. Cancer. This milk helps to prevent and suppress the growth of breast, skin, and lung cancer due to its anti-inflammatory properties. By stopping cancer cells from damaging DNA, this reduces the deleterious consequence of chemotherapy. Number 3. Anti-inflammatory. Turmeric milk contains anti-inflammatory qualities that may aid in the prevention and treatment of arthritis and stomach ulcer. Number 4. Cold and cough. Turmeric milk has antiviral and antibacterial properties, make it a popular cold and cough remedy. It quickly soothes sore throat, coughs, and cold. Number 5. Antioxidant. As a result of pollution, our skin now faces a new challenge. The free radicals who are born as a result of pollution are our adversaries. Turmeric contains numerous antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that aid in the elimination of free radicals. Number 6. Blood purifier. Turmeric milk is thought to be a blood cleanser and purifier. It has a capacity to energize and increase the body's blood circulation. It has also a blood thinner that cleans the lymphatic system and blood arteries of all contaminants. Number 7. Strong bones. Milk is good for your bones if you drink it twice a day. Turmeric is also well known for its medicinal properties. Turmeric and milk both contain a lot of calcium. Make it a daily practice to consume turmeric milk. Number 8. It helps with digestion. Turmeric milk, on the other hand, is a more easily digestible choice. Toned milk, on the other hand, is preferred to fat milk, which might be harder to digest. Number 9. Menstrual cramp. Turmeric milk is antispasmodic, which means it helps cramp and pain during menstruation. Golden turmeric milk should be consumed by pregnant women to aid with labor, breastfeeding, and ovulation contraction. Number 10. Weight loss. Turmeric milk assists in the digestion of dietary lipids. This could be advantageous in terms of weight loss. It strengthens the liver and helps to cleanse the lymphatic system. Number 11. Detoxify the liver. Turmeric milk is a natural detoxifier for the liver. Your blood will be completely cleansed once all of the poison in your liver have been removed. As a result, drinking turmeric milk on a regular basis enhances one's health. Number 12. Eliminate joint pain. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound that has anti-inflammatory properties. When you drink turmeric milk, it reduces joint swelling and relieves muscular spasm. Number 13. Reduces headache. Turmeric, as you may know, has anti-inflammatory properties, so they fall asleep quickly when they are in pain. Number 14. For beautiful skin. Because of the antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties of turmeric, dead cells accumulate on your skin as a result of pollution. And if you drink turmeric milk on a regular basis, your skin will help to clear these hairs. Number 15. It boosts the immunity. Turmeric has antiviral, antibacterial, and antifungal properties that boost your immune system and boost your resistance to diseases. If you like the video, then subscribe to channel and hit the like button. Check out the link given in the description below.